Yo, I would call it bully beef. Like, what make Jamaican people call it bully beef and everybody else call it corned beef? And who tell we say bully beef must either serve with cabbage or macaroni? Crazy Chef, big vibe. Today we're making curry bully beef curry, corned beef with curry corned beef, or whatever you want call it. You can eat it with rice, dumpling, or macaroni. But this curry corned beef, yeah, but yeah, man, put some onion, some pepper, some garlic, some thyme, some curry, some salt, butter. Now we make that reduce. Cover it up a little bit, cause you know we're not afraid. And you know where you get? Look on that. Curry corned beef or curry bully beef with